Hi. I have a CDA C1 785/2E fridge freezer built into a static caravan. I have no instruction book and the red light is flashing. Could you help please? Thanks.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years. And currently work for a well-known manufacturer. When the red light flashes, it means the temperature isn't correct in there and it's losing its cooling. If you are looking at fixing this yourself, then it's going to be either the thermostat or the compressor itself. Now a thermostat is it's working a bit but not cold enough, then there is no test you can do to it as it may be switching off at the wrong temperature. The only thing you can do is pull the appliance out and feel the compressor at the back. If it's just warm, then I will say it's a faulty thermostat, so replace that and see how it goes. But if the compressor is very hot, then it's not the thermostat and it's either a blockage in the system or the compressor itself. But for either of them it's not a DIY fix, as a fridge engineer will need to put their gauges on the back and see what pressure the compressor is pumping at. So check the compressor if you can, and if it's warm then replace the thermostat, but if it's very hot then it's a system fault which will need a fridge engineer to fix. If you need any more info, just get back to me. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.